Number 1.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900, shows around 160,000 miles and is paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the reliable V8 350 engine. This Chevy short bed is part of the well-regarded old body style lineup, known for its durability and classic late 80s design. The truck holds a clean title and, while it is not in perfect condition, it presents well and has been kept in good shape overall.
Its solid build, timeless styling, and strong motor make it a dependable choice for someone looking for a classic pickup that still offers everyday usability. Number 2.
1992 Ford F250, price $9,995. It has 186,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a brown exterior with a gray interior, this truck runs on gasoline and is powered by the legendary 7.5L V8 460 engine. It is a 4x4 model and, impressively, has no rust despite its age. For an older vehicle, it runs strong and handles reliably, showing the durability and toughness these trucks are known for. Elderly owned, the truck has clearly been well maintained over the years. Both the body and interior are in excellent shape for its model year, with clean lines, solid panels, and a cabin that has been preserved with care. It also comes with good tires, power windows, and a clean title, making it not only a functional workhorse but also a very nice classic truck overall.
Number 3.
1982 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. This truck comes with 174,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a clean black interior, it features a long bed and a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with smooth automatic shifting. The truck runs, drives, and stops great, and it is fitted with ice-cold air conditioning for added comfort. The interior has been refreshed with a new seat, and all windows are fully functional. While there are a couple of small rust spots in the typical areas, the overall condition remains solid. Additionally, it comes with a 3-inch lift and control arms that have not yet been installed, giving the next owner the option to enhance its stance and performance. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,990, powered by a strong 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in gold with a clean black interior, the truck has been exceptionally well maintained, showing just one owner with 0 accidents on record, backed by a clean title and a clean Carfax that lists over 37 documented service records. Despite the higher mileage, it still runs and drives amazingly well, with no rust issues and tires that remain in excellent condition. The interior is impressively clean, with no rips in the seats and no cracks in the dash, and it comes equipped with power seats, power windows, and ice-cold air conditioning along with reliable heat. While the truck is ready to be driven daily, it does have a few minor flaws worth noting. The driver's seat does not slide back and forth even though the power motor still works, and there is a check engine light caused by the common EVAP code.
Number 5.
1962 Ford F100, price $10,000. It is powered by a dependable 302 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the floor, giving it that authentic driving experience enthusiasts appreciate. The body is completely rust-free, a rare quality for a truck of this era, which speaks to the care it has received over the years. Practicality is also built in, with a sturdy bed-mounted toolbox that adds functionality without compromising its classic look. The interior has been updated with brand new upholstery, offering a fresh and comfortable cabin environment that complements the truck's timeless exterior style. Altogether, this F100 blends durability, character, and thoughtful improvements, making it not just a collectible piece of Ford's history but also a reliable truck that can be enjoyed on the road today.
Number 6.
1994 Ford F250, price $10,000. This truck has 153,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It comes in a striking blue exterior with a clean gray interior, both of which have been kept in excellent condition. The truck carries a clean title under the current owner's name and has already passed its smog check, making it ready for the road without any extra hassle. Beyond its strong classic appeal, this F250 also includes a back camera and Bluetooth for added convenience, blending vintage toughness with a touch of modern comfort. The vehicle has been carefully maintained, with all necessary servicing already completed, ensuring dependable performance for its next owner.
Number 7.
1988 Ford F150, price $6,500, comes equipped with the reliable 300ci inline-6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a classic driving experience. Showing only 57,000 miles on the odometer, the condition of the truck suggests that the mileage is accurate, as the interior remains impressively clean with minimal signs of wear. It features an off-white exterior complemented by a striking red interior, giving it a timeless and appealing look. The truck has received several recent updates, including a new front fuel tank and diverter valve, a new clutch master cylinder, as well as new front brake rotors, pads, hoses, and hardlines. The front tires are brand new, further enhancing its roadworthiness.
Number 8.
1988 GMC 3500, price $8,000. This truck has traveled 156,000 miles and runs on gasoline with a smooth automatic transmission. Its white exterior paired with a brown interior gives it a classic, rugged appearance. The truck is powered by a 454 engine with a fresh set of heads, new pushrods, and all new gaskets from the block-up, ensuring reliable and strong performance. It also features a freshly rebuilt Turbo 400 transmission, still under warranty for another 6 months, offering added confidence for the next owner. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a new fuel pump, as well as front brake pads, rotors, and calipers, making the truck ready for immediate use. Overall, this GMC 3500 combines classic styling with robust mechanical upgrades, making it a dependable and well-maintained vehicle for work or leisure.
Number 9.
1971 International 1210, price $8,500, featuring a robust 345 V8 engine paired with a T34 5-speed manual transmission with overdrive. It has rear-wheel drive with 4.10 gears, dual 16-gallon fuel tanks, and factory air conditioning. The odometer is believed to show 139,000 miles. Originally a Wyoming farm truck, it shows very minimal rust, making it an excellent candidate for restoration, casual cruising, or returning to farm work. In September 2025, the current owner purchased the truck during a trip out west and drove it 1,500 miles home. The truck cruises comfortably at 65 to 80 miles per hour. Since acquiring it, the owner has installed new tires, changed the engine and transmission oils, cleaned the distributor contacts, set the points, and replaced a fuel line. Before this ownership, the entire fuel system had been cleaned.
Number 10.
1977 Ford F150, price $5,000, featuring an automatic transmission and a green exterior paired with a green interior. It runs and drives, though it has several dents and dings that reflect its age. The passenger floorboard is rusted through, but replacement panels are available.
The frame appears to be in good condition.
The dash cluster has broken apart due to brittle plastic, though a spare seat is included and ready for installation. This truck originally came with factory air conditioning, but the belt is currently disconnected from the compressor pulley. Overall, it is a solid foundation for restoration, offering a combination of classic styling, drivability, and original features.